Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel guys. This is your daily love tarot reading. So let us see what is coming up for your general energies and for your love energies, Aquarius. So what is coming up for Aquarius? Ace of Cups, Seven of Wands, Two of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, Page of Wands. Aquarius, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, you are really feeling what to say fantastic today for how things are in your work. You are having great advantage, maybe because of your position or how you do your work. People look up to you for your guidance, and maybe in this relationship this person is really happy to be with you, for you are being very understanding. So that is the way they feel, and something new is coming for your Aquarius. Maybe some kind of a creative venture that you were planning for some time now. Maybe it may be concerning with some kind of art, something which you were very passionate about, maybe some hobbies or something. If you love traveling, it may be travel. So something which you are really passionate about, which you just love to do, so that is coming your way, whatever that is, guys. And you have a choice. You have two choices, and you are deciding between that. Maybe it is your passions. You may like two things. You do not want to you do not know which you want to go in with first. So you may be deciding on some things, and in your work you are really skilled, and people from your work, they look up to you for how you handle things with a cool head. You are not at all stressed. You have that coolness about you. You do things in a very perfect manner, in a particular order, and people look up to you for that, guys. And maybe that may be the reason that few people are what to say really jealous of you. They consider you as their competition, and they may be few rivals also for you. This may be regarding your what to say in your work situation, or in your relationship. This person feels you are so great, and they want to compete with you, and they consider you as a competition, maybe in certain things, by how you handle your situation, but by how you go through your day. Maybe that may be the reason here. So something of that sort, guys. And today, few of y'all, you may be getting some friends or family to visit you. They may be coming with some kind of news, something important, some kind of announcements or something like that. That may be regarding these choices you're having, some two choices. That may be the reason those choices are there. So you are deciding whether to do that or not. So that may also be the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, this person you are with, they may want to propose to you. Maybe if you are really in true love with this person, and you have the true passion in this relationship, this person may be coming to propose to you, guys. And they may want a long committed relationship with you, and they want to spend their time, their life with you. maybe they are coming with commitment. That may also be the energy here. Or you may want to propose to this person, have a long term commitment with them. That may also be the energy here, guys. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, Aquarius. Whips. Cross. Anchor. Aquarius, with these cards, I feel you are celebrating something, some kind of victories. You are feeling that gratification in your heart for achieving what you want to achieve today, for having achieved what you wanted to achieve. So you are feeling really happy, and maybe for some of you all, you are feeling that emotional comfort with this person, or some kind of, you feel you are sheltered, feeling sheltered. This may be with this person, or this may concern some kind of religious beliefs that you have. You are feeling that comfort in that belief, and this may symbolize some kind of karmic cycle that is happening in your life, by the way things are going about, the situations with this person, or the situations in your workplace. So major spiritual changes are happening within you, guys. So you are feeling that faith and unity in your heart. Some kind of spirituality is blossoming within you, some different kind of understanding within you. So you see everything from what to say, a different perspective. Certain beliefs are manifesting. So whatever you may have, certain religious beliefs, so you're finding comfort in that, and some kind of gratification in that, guys. And you feel certain things are manifesting in such a way that is helping you to learn your life's purpose for some of you all. So today you're feeling that happiness and gratification. You feel you're fulfilling your destiny, and some kind of completion is happening in your life, maybe regarding this work, atmosphere, situation. Something is completing. So some kind of victory is there, so you're celebrating it. You're feeling safe and secure because of that. Maybe in this relationship you are moving towards a commitment or marriage. That may also be the reason for this happiness, and you're accepting the responsibilities of this union with happiness. So you are welcoming this new change. If you're planning to marry this person, you are really happy to accept the great responsibilities that comes with it. So you are open to more, what to say, you are open to this commitment, guys. That is the energy here, Aquarius. And this person is also welcoming you in their life. They feel this great sense of what to say, security, safety with you, and they feel they look up to you for your qualities and for how you handle things. So they are really happy how they are in this relationship. So that is the way they feel. And maybe for some of you all, you may be what to say, going through some kind of routines, some repetitive activities. That may be something regarding your health, some kind of health activities, maybe dieting, or You may be into some kind of cleansing, something of that sort, guys. So some practice, some habits you are having, so that may also be the energy here, Aquarius. So this is the reading, guys, and thank you for watching this video, Aquarius. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.